Welcome to the second part of the photo session application tutorial. If you haven't watched the first part yet, we highly recommend doing so, as it covers the general use and approaches offered by the HEFIS service for photographers and artists who want to sell printed images on different materials. In this second part, we will delve into the various settings available that can enhance user experience, protect images, and modify the overall look and feel of the application. In the previous section of this guide, we solely included the canvas print measuring 30 by 40. To diversify the selection of products, we will now include a mug and a custom-sized acrylic print. By custom-sized, I mean that the customer will have the option to set the dimensions of their desired print. Open your photo session app. To add a new product, simply click the plus sign located in the Apps and Products section. From there, select the ordering application and the service where your mug is located. Once you've done that, choose your mug from the drop-down products list. If you wish, you can change the title of your mug and upload a featured image. If you choose not to, the system will automatically use the title and image from the service where the product is already configured. In our case, the mug is part of the Fund Product service and will pull the title, image, and price from there if configured correctly. For additional details on product configuration, please refer to the appropriate tutorials. Our next product is an acrylic print, and we want to offer customers the flexibility to choose their own size for the print. To achieve this, we are selecting the ordering application, the service where the acrylic print product is available, and choose the title of the media but without the prefix medium from the drop-down product list. For detailed instructions on setting up such a product, refer to our tutorial how to set up custom size for wall deco products. We have added 2 more products to our application, and now it's time to create more collections. To start, let's name the collection we've already created. Click on the edit icon and fill in the title. Let's call it Landscapes. Once you're done, click Done to close the collection. Remember to save your work to avoid losing any progress. To add a new collection, simply click on the plus sign icon located in the collection section. Give your collection a name, such as flowers, and proceed to upload your desired images. Confirm your changes by clicking on the Done button. Repeat the process to create a third collection by selecting the plus sign, naming it Abstract, and uploading your images. How about we make this last collection more unique by focusing on a specific product? As you may recall, we have 3 products available for the entire application. However, what if we only want to feature one product in this particular collection? Not to worry, there is a solution. By adding a specific product to the Apps and Products section of the collection, it removes all other products of the application and only shows the product you selected for this collection. Simply click on the plus sign and follow the same steps as we did for the entire application. For example, let's say we only want to display these images on mugs. This method allows us to do just that. Click Done and save your progress. Close the application. Let's take a look at our photo session application from the customer's perspective. Simply click on the application title to open it in a new browser tab. You'll notice that the application has become more appealing. We offer 3 collections, each represented by its first image. In both the Landscapes and Flowers collections, you can order any of the 3 available products. Meanwhile, the abstract collection only offers mugs, just as we intended. Our photo session application is now available for use, but if you need to restrict access to your application for any reason, the root password feature can be helpful. By selecting the Require Password option and entering a password, you can prevent unauthorized access to your application. Additionally, you can set passwords for individual collections within the application. This allows you to share a specific collection with a customer using a unique password, without revealing other collections within the application. The Hefist system will direct the customer straight to their designated collection upon entering the correct password. We will say more on this feature in the next tutorial. Just a quick tip, there's no need to close the app to preview it in a new tab. Simply click on the link icon located on the top right corner of the web page. You will be required to enter a password to access the images and products. Just enter the password and you'll be granted instant access. Ensuring image protection is crucial, and with the Hefist system, your clients cannot download original files. The images they view in the browser are only small copies intended for demonstration purposes. The actual files are exclusively utilized for printing, but additionally, you can add another layer of protection by applying a watermark to each image in your collection. To include a watermark in your images, start by creating a semi-transparent PNG file that won't affect the quality of your pictures. Then, upload the file to the Photo Session app into the Watermarks section. Enable the watermarks. This is a crucial step, as without it, Hefist won't apply watermarks to your images. Keep in mind that watermarks will only be applied to new files you upload to the collection. If you've uploaded images before setting up watermarks, they won't have them. Remember, if you enable watermarks without a PNG image uploaded, the system won't accept new uploads. Ensure that you have watermarks enabled and your PNG image uploaded. Shall we upload some fresh images and observe how they appear with watermarks? Save your work and click on the link icon located at the topmost part of the web page. This will enable you to gauge the effectiveness of watermarks in safeguarding your images. Currently, the screen displays 3 primary images, each representing a collection added to the Photo Session application. However, the page still appears empty. It would be ideal to include some descriptions and trim the layout a bit. To add a description to your Photo Session application, simply navigate to the corresponding field in the application settings and enter your text. You have the option to use HTML and CSS styling to structure your text to your liking. Additionally, you can add a description to each collection within the application by opening the collection and entering your text. Remember that system will show both descriptions for every collection. When you open the application in the browser, you can see the description we've added in the first step. And when you open the collection, you will see both descriptions. So it gives you the flexibility to play with explanations you want to bring to your clients about your work. Just a heads up, take a look at the URL in your browser's address bar. This link is what you would share with your clients for ordering purposes. It's recommended to use a descriptive name instead of the lengthy ID created by the Hefist system, which can be difficult to recall. Choosing a personalized name would be more advantageous, and you have the freedom to establish your own naming convention. To customize your URL name in the Photo Session application settings, simply click on the other button and enable the custom URL name feature. Enter the desired name and return to the tab where your application is open. Refresh the web page, and you'll notice that the ID has now been replaced with the name you've chosen. If you want to customize the look of your application to match your company's brand, cascading style sheets, CSS, can help you achieve that. This tutorial does not cover CSS, but there are many resources available online. To access CSS, simply click on the CSS button and modify the styles according to your preference. It's a good idea to save your customized CSS as separate themes for future use with other instances of the same application type. Speaking about reusable elements, let's look at the header and footer options that you would want to add to the layout of your application. Close the CSS section and click on the Other button. Here you can select any headers and footers you have prepared for applications in your workspace. They are HTML snippets that you can make yourself. How to get them ready is out of the scope of this tutorial. You can find information on the topic in the Look and Feel tutorial. Here is how it will look with the header and footer added. We're almost done with the second part of the photo session tutorial. In this section, we covered how to add additional products and collections to the app and assign a specific product to a particular collection. We also explored the option of restricting access to collections. Additionally, we learned how to add watermarks to images, manage descriptions, and assign a meaningful URL. Lastly, you should now be capable of customizing the look of your app and linking reusable elements like the header and footer. Next, we will explore how school photographers can enhance their work by utilizing the photo session application to create sets for students.